Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating a library and a project so Final Cut Pro knows where to save everything. Import your source clips now by dragging from Finder or using File Import, then group them in events to stay organized. Make sure the project frame rate and resolution match your intended export, since changing later forces re-rendering. Once your media is in, Skim and Mark selects with I and O to build a rough sequence quickly before refining. Now you refine the edit. Place your selects on the timeline and use the trim and blade tools to tighten timing. You should add B-roll on higher tracks for coverage and sync dialogue with magnetic timeline snapping turned on. Use the color board for primary tweaks and the audio enhancements to reduce noise or balance levels. Make compound clips to manage complex sections. Once done, skim render areas with heavy effects so playback stays smooth while you continue polishing. To finish, select Share and pick Master File or a device preset, then set codec and bitrate that match delivery requirements so quality and file size balance. Review full screen playback and check audio peaks are around -6 to -3 dB. Make final color trims and add metadata. If the export stalls or shows errors, clear render files, free up disk space, and restart Final Cut Pro before retrying. This resolves most issues quickly and prevents corrupted output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.